In the quiet village of Bramblewood Hollow, nestled beneath twisting tree roots and glowing mushrooms, lived Logan the Rat, a soft-footed creature with a love for finding lost things and listening to old winds whisper secrets. Logan often wandered the twilight trails alone, his tiny satchel bouncing at his side, collecting buttons, feathers, and pebbles that hummed with memories only he could hear. One dusky evening, a silver glint caught his eye near the creek where the willows wept. Beneath a mossy stone, he uncovered a lantern unlike any other, brass-bound, cold, and glowing faintly from within. As Logan touched it, a soft pulse rippled through his whiskers, the lantern sang, not in notes, but in feelings. Of sorrow, of longing, of an old voice that wanted to be heard again. The village elders had once warned of the Lantern of Echoes, said to hold the voice of a forgotten friend who had lost their way in the hollow's hidden paths. Logan, heart-quick with wonder and worry, knew he had to help. If the lantern held a voice, it must be searching for something or someone to listen. With the lantern tied gently to his satchel, Logan ventured into the wisping thickets, where light bends oddly and shadows sometimes follow their own paths. The trees here were ancient and wise, their bark etched with the sighs of seasons. The lantern pulsed warmly, growing brighter as Logan stepped deeper into the curling fog. A whisper drifted from the lantern, soft as a moth's wingbeat. "Remember me?" Logan paused, heart trembling. Who was speaking, and why did it sound like it came from inside him? Night deepened as Logan reached the still mirror, a silent pond that reflected not your body, but your memory. The lantern's glow spilled across the water like spilled starlight. Gazing into the mirror, Logan saw not his face, but a memory, himself as a younger rat, standing beside another figure, blurred but warm, holding a tiny glowing seed. "You left me here?" The voice sighed from the lantern. Logan clutched it close, aching with a guilt he hadn't known he carried, of a friend forgotten in time's tide. "Determined now," Logan whispered back. "I'm listening. I remember now." The lantern flickered, its glow changing from cold blue to soft gold, as if warmed by truth. He walked deeper into the forest of echoes, where each step brought a memory not just of him, but of the friend. The shared games, the quiet tears, the promise to return that he never kept. A clearing opened suddenly, ringed with white stones humming gently. At its center, a tiny flame floated. Not fire, but a memory shaped like a friend's laughter. Logan placed the lantern beside the flame. They shimmered, swirled, and merged into a gentle orb that hovered before him. The voice was clearer now. "You found me." Tears welled in Logan's eyes. "I'm sorry I forgot," he said softly. "I carried on without you, but I never stopped needing you, even if I didn't know it." The orb drifted into his chest, warm and light. It didn't burn, but settled. A piece of him returned. The forest sighed, the trees bowed, and the fog began to lift. Logan stepped out of the thickets, the lantern now empty but glimmering with peace. He felt lighter, not just in body but in soul, as though something long broken had mended quietly. Back in Bramblewood Hollow, he placed the lantern in a nook above his sleeping nest. Each night, it gave off a soft, golden glow, not from magic, but from memory. He no longer wandered just to find things, but to understand them, to honor the voices, places, and stories that shaped him, and to never again let them fade. Logan became known not just as a finder, but as a keeper of echoes. Creatures came to him with old things and older stories, and he listened, truly listened. And when they left, lighter and smiling, he would touch the lantern and whisper, "I remember for you." The forest, too, seemed to soften. Paths once forgotten began to open, and lost things gently found their way back home. Axel Scheffler style / hand-drawn / rat / a peaceful underground village glowing with mushrooms and fireflies under tree roots / soft evening light, cozy burrows, bioluminescent plants, magical atmosphere.